So we're out here in the Time and Fortune mobile workshop here. First we're going to prime the liner. Just going to wipe down the surface real quick. Some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. Smells like apples out here. I'll probably just need that one coat. Didn't get any inside. We'll do the shell. We'll do the outside first. Usually I like to do the inside first, but kind of already started on the outside. I did some experimenting with texture. There's World War II color on it right now. It's not even really on it, just a small little part. Just prime the shell like normal. Now I have this. It's some blasting media for a sandblasting cabinet. That's going to be our texture. What this is, it's basically just very fine brass and other metal. I really don't think we can do too much on it. Looking pretty okay. Once it's all a uniform color, it'll probably make more sense. Sorry if you can hear cars, everyone's coming and going. Okay. Here's our textured shell. Looks really nice, I think. Not super duper consistent, but it's all right. It's just a Vietnam helmet. It's not like super huge particles like you get with cork. Very, very tiny. Very tiny particles. Okay, so I'm going to bring this and the liner back inside. Probably tomorrow, because it's starting to get cold. But probably tomorrow. Hit it with some Vietnam paint. I've gotten this brand of paint before for my World War I helmet, but I also got their 33070 for World War II M1s. Curious to see how that is. See if it matches pretty well to the QTM paint I usually get. So, not sure when you'll see this next, but probably right about now. It's been about 24 hours since primer went on the shells. Here's the liner. I got the regular shell over here. I'm gonna do the liner first. Actually at my mom's house right now. You can see on the fire pit paint from the first time I restored my helmets, my MP helmet and my World War I helmet. But just gonna be true to form here as well. See how that Vietnam color looks. Pretty spiffy. I don't have my tripod with me. Probably should have brought it, but oh well. This can is so full. It's heavy. Okay, well that's the liner done. I get the shell over here and we'll do that too. All right, wind's picking up a little bit, but here's the shell. Just gonna do a light coat. Okay, once this flashes off, I'll add it or go at it from a different angle, because see up here it looks good, but if you go down here, all that stuff is still black. So whenever you're painting your helmets, you always want to go from multiple angles, get good even coverage on all the texture. Gonna go from the bottom this
Okay,
time.
great, spray me.
It's not gonna get on you. It'll dry long before it reaches you. But go from the bottom this time, get the bottom parts of the texture. I haven't primed the inside of the shell yet. Right now. But, well, I got your guys' attention because I know this is what people like to watch. We're very close to hitting 100 subscribers. And once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll do a collection video of my entire collection. So if you want to see that, subscribe, send it to your friends, and spray a little more on. I didn't go very thick on the first coat.
Mom's gonna hate you.
This was already green before.
Oh, okay.
From the last time. It's just a fire pit. Okay, we'll let that flash off and come back out and take care of it. Got the liner drying inside right now. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I painted these. The liner is scratched because I put it in the shell. The shell, some of the sand fell off, but I don't mind. I'm gonna paint it again, and the inside still needs to be painted. And I wasn't happy with the bail that was on there, so I'm going to make another one. But before I can do any of that, I left my tripod inside, so I got to go get that. Okay, so I got clear coat on both the helmets. I touched it up and then I did clear coat. This is the clear coat I used, the dead flat. Before the paint was pretty shiny, but now it's already flattened out, so that's what I was hoping for. I can't find my tripod, but I need to get a new one anyway, so I guess I'll get a new one. The liner, well, I'm not going to pick it up because the clear coat's wet, but the liner is done now. I just have to wait for the clear coat to dry. The shell, I need to paint the inside. I made a new bail, but I haven't put it on yet. I'll do that before I paint the inside. Okay, so I got another bail on here, homemade. I'm not entirely happy with it either, but it's better than the one I had, and I'm kind of, I don't know, whatever. I might replace it with the real one eventually, but this one's the real one, this one's the fake. It's kind of stiff, but I'm just gonna roll with it because I kind of just want to be done painting this. Get out of here, dumb fly. Don't look that bad. This guy sit out. I painted my arm green, but I'll let this guy sit out, let it dry, then we'll clear. Okay, so I can't find my tripod, but just got the rest of the stuff in the mail that we need to finish this up. So let's check it out. Got us original Vietnam chin straps, and of course our lovely Mitchell cover. Oh, and I also went, I got this at the vendor mall. This is just foliage, like the UCP color, but it was $2. So I'll end up replacing this with a OD one, but for now this will do the job, I think. So let's get the stuff thrown on here. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with the chin straps. Sorry if I sound gross. I've been sick past couple days, but we will charge on through. So short one goes on the left, right? No, not like that. Okay, so I guess they do go like that. tighten that down for real in a sec. Okay. Halfway there. Oh man. So the shell is technically done now. Okay. So now I'm going to try to put this Mitchell cover on. And I've never done this before, so wish me luck. This one is a reproduction from more Militaria. I think I might have to do some more research on this. Okay, so sorry for not showing the installation. I just soaked this with hot water and stretched it over the helmet. It's still a little damp, but it'll be fine. The only thing I'm missing is the nape strap, but I'm not too concerned about that right at this very second. And I probably am going to end up riding on this. It's just a reproduction cover for more Militaria, so I don't feel bad about riding on it. I'm planning on getting either an original or just another one of these to keep nice. But yeah, this is what I got for now. Also, this band is like a UCP foliage band. It's just what I could find locally for like $2. But it's not too far off from the OD, I guess. Anyway, if you like this, subscribe, share it with your friends, leave a like if you want, and comment. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your night, soldiers.